Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to Math 350 video lesson. In this video lesson, we're covering Chapter 3, Section 3. Chapter 3, Section 3 deals with subtraction of whole numbers. One thing I wanted to clarify also is when adding and subtracting, the last section, this section we talked about, yeah, it's pretty straightforward, but people have trouble with signed numbers. In other words, let's say positive or negative. Those are signed numbers. So let me go ahead and clarify what that really means. Addition simply states if the signs are the same. Then take the common sign and add the numbers. Now what does that mean? Okay, we all know what 3 plus 5 is. That's 8. How about 9 plus 2? It's 11. Now why is it 8? Why is it 11? Well, because they're both positive, so the answer is positive. What if we had negative 6 minus 4? They're both negative, so the answer is negative. Add the numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. Negative 1 minus 5. They're both negative. Answer is negative. Add the numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. Same logic as with the positive numbers. That's what addition with signed numbers mean. Subtraction of signed numbers. Just the opposite of that, actually. If the signs are different. If the signs are different, then take the sign of the larger number and subtract the smaller from the larger. Minus 2. We all know it's 7. Why? Because 9 is bigger than 2, and it's positive, so the answer is positive. 9 minus 2 is 7. What if we had negative 2 plus 5? The signs are different. 5 is bigger than 2, so the answer is positive. 5 minus 2 is 3. How about this one? Negative 6 plus 4. 6 is bigger than 4. It's negative, so the answer is negative. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 7. Opposite signs. 2 is positive, 7 is negative. So, since 7 is bigger than 2, the answer is negative. 7 minus 2 is 5. So that's when we talk about add subtraction. That's really what we're talking about. We look at the signs and treat the signs of the numbers differently. All right, let's look at the homework problems. Chapter 3, Section 3. Subtraction of whole numbers. Rewrite the subtraction problem as an equivalent addition problem. Okay, we have 30 minus 12 equals x. What makes it a subtraction problem is that minus sign there. So in order to make it to a positive, we got to move this entire number to the other side. How do we do that? We add 12 to both sides. So the 12s cancel here. We're left with 30. And when here we have x plus 12. So x plus 12 equals 30 is the same thing as 30 minus 12 equals x. So the answer is B. We write the subtraction to an equivalent addition problem. 84 minus x equals 53. Again, what makes it a subtraction problem is that sign there. So we've got to move that to the other side. Whatever that sign is, we have to put the opposite. Whenever you move something from one side to the other side of the equal sign, we have to change its sign. So we're going to add x to both sides. Negative x plus x becomes 0. So we have 84 equals 53 plus x. Or we can have 84 equals x plus 53 because of the commutative property of addition. We could move the numbers around. So 84 equals x plus 53. B again. Okay, at a basketball game, the players stood in a row ordered by height. Okay, oh, I love these. This kind of problems, they have it in, well, a little bit more complex than this, but similar type of logic problems in law school exams. If Paula is taller than Henrietta, or Hanitha, Paula is taller than Hanitha. They're standing in a row by height. Awana is taller than Paula. So Awana is taller than Paula. And Caroline is shorter than Haritha. And Caroline is shorter than Haritha. So this is the way they have to be ordered. Who's the tallest, who's the shortest? So A is not right, because Paula's not the tallest. Awana is the tallest, so it's got to be either B or D. And Caroline's the shortest. Answers of possible height vary. So Awana is 71 inches, that's the tallest. The next is P. Nope. That's not right. Awana is 71 inches. Paula, 68. So it's got to be D. Estimate the following mentally, which means don't write it down, okay? So, it's 90 plus 60, round it up to 6. 90 plus 60 is 150. Minus 250, that's a negative 100. Plus 400. So negative 100 plus 400 is 400 minus 100, 300. So let's see what's going on in our heads. 91 plus 56 minus 256 plus 409. This one I just made into a 90. This one I made into a 50. No, 60. So that's closer to 60 than 50. This one I made it into 250. And this one is 400. Remember, this is an approximation, estimation. So 90 plus 60. 9 plus 6 is 15 with a 0 behind it. So we have now left to right. Positive and negative. Since 250 is bigger, the answer would be negative. 250 minus 150 is 100. 400 is bigger, so the answer is positive. 400 minus 100, 300, which is A. All right, good luck, everybody.